Apple has many new features coming in the fall to its iOS software upgrade for iPhones, but I've got 9 related to photos and videos that I think are pretty cool, so let's go down the list. Let's begin with when you make a phone call to someone, you can choose a nice big picture of yourself to be seen. That could be a photo, that could be an avatar, that could be an animation, that can be a drawing. I think it's pretty cool. You get to select the photo. We don't spend enough time doing face tagging in the Photos app. If we did, it would be a lot easier to find pictures. Well, now you have another reason to do tagging because you'll be able to tag your cats and dogs. Way to go, Apple. This is pretty cool. When you take a selfie and you go like this, fireworks and all sorts of stuff are going to happen. There's a bunch of gestures that Apple will start to recognize and add visuals to our selfies. One feature I really liked in the last iOS was you could select your photo and then take the background out and stick that image into notes, into a text message, into an email. And now you'll be able to find recipes from that food item. If you select the food item, you'll be able to look up what the recipe is. That sounds cool. So many times I take pictures of somebody and they say, please airdrop it to me. And then you fiddle around with the settings until you get it right. And now you're going to be able to just put 2 phones together and send them that way. And I love that feature. I think that's my favorite new feature of them all as somebody who does airdrop all day long. When you charge up your phone and you have it on the side like this, not like this, but like this, you'll get a little clock, a little night clock, which will be really nice in your room. It'll be dim. You could also select to have a photo be shown at all times. And as a visual person, I love that. You can create live stickers from your photos and stick them in documents and text messages and things like that. Love it. When you make a FaceTime call and the other person is not there, now you'll be able to record a video greeting. Thank you, Apple. And finally, Journal. It's a new way to do a live journal with text and photos and videos and music, your own personal recollections, your bio, your documents. I think it's fun. I can't wait to give it a try. The new iOS generally is available to the general public the week before the new iPhone comes out in September. iOS 17, can't wait. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks for watching.